Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to search your photos for specific keywords such as items or places on your iPhone. The first thing we want to do is make sure that search is enabled to access our Photos app. To do this, open Settings. Next, scroll down and choose Siri and Search. Inside of here, scroll down into the list of apps and then tap Photos. Inside of Photos, make sure that the slider is enabled next to Show Content in Search. This will allow your photos to appear in search if we use Spotlight or Siri. Now, close Settings, and we'll look at the first way to search for your photos using Spotlight. Pull down on any app on your home screen and you'll be on the search page. In this example, I want to find any photos that I've taken with cameras, so I'll type camera. If I scroll down a bit, I'll then see the search results from my apps. Tapping Show More will show me more results, and then I can go even further by tapping Search an App under Photos. Next, we'll search directly in our Photos app. Cancel out a Spotlight search here to get back to your home screen. Find the Photos app, and if you want a shortcut, just press and hold on the app icon. A pop-up will appear where you can then tap Search. If you want to know how to manually get to this screen, just open Photos and then tap Search on the lower right. Now in the top search bar, type camera again, and it will then give you all the results in your photo library containing cameras. If you want, you can give it more keywords to search, or even specific years. So if I only want to see camera photos taken from 2018, up in the search bar I can type comma 2018. It will then give me the camera results from only 2018. This process works the same if you're looking for people or a place like Chicago, and even photos containing things like lakes. And that's how you search your photos for keywords on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.